In this video, you will know about the 5 best portable air conditioners. For more information, you can check the description below. Here is the product number 5. Portable air conditioner. The Honeywell HL series portable air conditioner combines 3-1 technology into one luscious and sleek body, cooling and dehumidifying areas up to 400 square feet. It features an auto evaporation system, a reliable dehumidifying function as well as a traditional 3-speed fan-only function delivering optimum cooling, dehumidification and fresh ventilation. Here is the product number 4. Honeywell 8000 BTUs portable air conditioner. Electronic controls with full function remote control. Digital time, temperature display and control with 24-hour on/off timer. 3 cooling and fan speeds. Permanent mesh, side-out washable filter, washable. Dehumidify mode. Cools rooms 150-200 square feet. Here is the product number 3. Global Air 10,000 BTUs portable air conditioner. The Global Air 10,000 BTUs of cooling power keep a room up to 300 square feet cool and comfortable, and the 2-speed cooling and fan and 4-way air direction helps spread the air evenly throughout the room. Digital controls offer precise temperature adjustments, and the remote control lets you control the air conditioner from across the room. Self-evaporative system, no water tank. Here is the product number 2. LG 115 volts portable air conditioner. Room to room, house to house or home to work, LG's portable air conditioner is the ideal climate control solution for when you're on the go. With a sleek contemporary design, this freestanding portable unit blends in with any room decor. Our auto swing air vent technology makes sure you enjoy every bit of cool air by circulating the cool air more efficiently, so no hot spot will be left untouched. Here is the product number 1. Honeywell portable air conditioner. The Honeywell MN series portable air conditioner with protective cover has a sleek, modern design, cooling and dehumidifying areas up to 550 square feet. With 3-1 technology, this portable air conditioner delivers optimum cooling and dehumidification. It also has a fan-only function. The full function remote control allows you to operate each feature from across the room. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share this video.